Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I cut my mom's hair. I don't know if you've seen, but I recently posted a video where I cut all my hair off, and you'll see in this video my hair is short, and she's been wanting to do the same thing for a while. So once I did mine, it kind of gave her the courage to do the same with hers. So this is her hair before. It's super long, and we're going to be giving her kind of a long bob, so we're going to cut a lot of hair off. This video is going to be pretty short, but if you want to see in more detail, I did post a video of me cutting my own hair, and that's a very long video, so if you want extra details, go check that one out. So right now I'm just kind of sectioning her hair off. She wants to donate her hair as well, just like me. So we're going to try to get the most of the length in a ponytail. So I'm just sectioning off. She's already got a lot of face framing layers around the front. So I'm just kind of sectioning those little pieces off to get that out of the way so that we can, kind of give her the cut that she wants, but also get the most yield of hair for her donation. So that back section that you're seeing right now is what we're going to donate. So yeah, I just kind of went from her right behind her ear, section that part off on both sides. So now I'm going to try to figure out exactly where we want to cut it in the back. At this point, we were still debating on what she wanted. So you'll see here I kind of place the ponytail and then I'm going to drag it down and figure out exactly where we want to cut, how much we want to cut off. So I'm kind of showing her where it's going to be, telling her where it's going to be in the back, and she's like, ooh, that seems like a lot. Let's see if we could do a little bit longer. So we kind of experimented with a few different lengths and tried to figure out what she felt comfortable with, what she felt like would look good, but also wanted to make it significant enough, really wanted to donate a lot. So you'll see I get our measuring tape because she wants to make sure, am I getting at least, I think her goal was 10 inches, to cut at least 10 inches off. So that's kind of what I did. I kind of based it on cutting off 10 inches, and she felt pretty comfortable with that level, with that length. So yeah, we finally, after much deliberation, made a decision. So I'm about to do the cut right here, and you guys, it's so sweet. She actually got really emotional just suddenly, and I was like, hey, we don't have to do it. It's okay. We can stop. But she was like, no, I want to do it. I don't know why I'm getting emotional, but I just think, it's a big thing. It took her a long time to grow her hair out, and it's like you work so hard for that and then cutting it off. But she really wanted to be able to do this. She really wanted to be able to donate it. As you guys may know, if you've seen our other video together, she is a cancer survivor. Woohoo! Hooray! We're so thankful for her health. And she just wants to be able to give back, to other people who struggle and suffer from the same kind of thing. So yeah, here we go. Here is our donation bundle. I'm showing her, and she's like, wow, oh my goodness. So there we go. That's a good little chunk. So we're going to send that off, and hopefully that will make someone else a nice hairpiece that they can use and feel good about and feel confident with their new hair. So yeah, then I just kind of trimmed off those front pieces. Like I said, they were pretty layered and, kind of shorter pieces. So I just kind of trimmed it. And now I'm pulling all her hair back and just making sure that when it all sits behind her shoulders, it will look even. And I'm just going to trim off all those pieces and really just get everything to the length that we want. She doesn't want a super layered haircut, but she did want some texture, some softening at the ends, kind of feathering. So right now I'm just getting everything to the appropriate length, and then I'm going to work on some texturization and, kind of getting it to be more of a style once we get the cut and the length right where we want it. So yeah, I'm just kind of making sure everything looks good, and then here we go. Going to start some texturization. So the way I do it, you can get more details. Like I said, in some of my other videos, I show a lot more details of how I texturize hair when I cut. Again, I'm not a professional. I should give that out as a disclaimer right now. I'm not a professional. This is purely for your entertainment. But I'm just showing you how I do it and how I achieve haircuts for myself and my family. I've cut my mom's hair many, many times. I cut my sister's hair and friends and all kinds of stuff. So, so yeah, just don't take my word for everything. But if you want to experiment and try like what I'm doing, you can. So I just kind of show a few clips here because, like I said, I don't want to make this video super long. Just really wanted to show you guys the transformation more than anything. But I just kind of section it off, and I take pieces here and there and just kind of go throughout the whole head and texturize, feather at the ends, point cut, just to give a softened edge. So this is the primary cut, and I'm going to take her in here and we're going to get her reaction, okay? Just her initial reaction. She wasn't sure about this, so it's kind of fun to see. You guys check this out.
You know.
Oh, it's so cute. Yes. Okay. Yeah, turn on the light. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Oh, how do you feel? Not sure about it. It's okay. You can have a real reaction. Don't worry.
I don't know how I feel. Oh, wow. It will have to grow on me.
Yeah. I think it looks great though. For real though.
It will have to grow on me. Yeah, thank you. But it will definitely have to grow on me. But I mean, I think that it can, you know. I think that it can grow on me. But I'm just
shocked.
I
think it looks great. So she wanted to show you guys really quick as well. Her roots are a little bit grown out right now, and she just wanted to give you guys a quick tip, I guess, on what she does to fill in her roots. So she just uses this little eyeshadow palette and a brush there, just like a kind of a fluffy brush, and she just powders in at the roots. So she just thought of this as we were getting ready to do her style, and wanted to show you guys just kind of how she achieves a little bit of a fill-in in between. And so here's her hair styled. What do you guys think? She was really unsure. You heard her reaction. She didn't feel like she looked great in this hairstyle, but I think she looks amazing. What do you guys think? Let us know. Give her lots of love. Give her thousands and thousands of likes on this video and plenty of comments, because I think she looks amazing. She's pretty happy with it now. She's had it for a few weeks and she's really gotten more used to herself with this cut. But I just think she rocks it. Well, we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.